Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. Want to provide an update here on AMD stock, or Advanced Micro Devices Inc. It's been on a rip since getting above the 21-day EMA. I've got the daily chart pulled up here, and you can see this big rip here. Pulled back, started to rip again, so I threw up a trend line here. As you can see, the price was bouncing here off of this line, came back to it again, rejected it, ran, rejected it again, came back up. So I'm definitely going to be looking at this level here. If the price does start to pull back, keeping an eye on this trend level. It is just above the 21-day EMA here. So yeah, I might be looking for some short entries if the price does get below this trend line and close below it. Might be looking for a short entry there. If the price comes down to this trend line, has a nice reaction to it, and starts to pump higher again, then I will be looking for a good long entry. Let's check out the 1 hour chart here. And you can see a little more detail here as the price really bounced off of this level here, ran up. So on this chart, or this time frame, the 1 hour, it's actually below the 21-day EMA. So you can see that that doesn't really come into play on the 1 hour. I would more be looking at this trend line here. So right now it's just below the 21. Again, if this thing starts to rip again, I'm going to be looking for long entries. If this thing sells off towards this trend line here, then I'm going to be looking at that level for short entries. Let's check out the 15-minute chart. Get rid of this on the 15 minutes since we're going so far in. But yeah, on the 15-minute chart, same thing here. Got a low of 118, high of almost 142. We're still looking at an uptrend here in the shorter term as well as the longer time frames. So something interesting to note here on the 15-minute chart is this thing went up to about 142, backed off nicely to about 134.5, bounced off this level right here. So zooming in a little more, you've got a big bullish engulf candle here that kind of ate up these previous two candles. So my trend reversal indicator did throw up the buy signal right there on that candle, and it threw a stop loss line around 134.74. So I definitely keep an eye on that level to the downside. If this thing starts backing away from the 21-day EMA on Monday and sells below this level and closes below this level, on this time frame, I'm going to be looking for short entries. If the price continues to pump, buyers continue to drive this thing back up, we're going to see another run up above the 21-day EMA here. I'm going to be looking at this level that got rejected around a 141.73. So those are definitely two key levels here for the 15-minute chart. I'll continue to keep you guys updated on AMD, or Advanced Micro Devices Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this.